What it do? Your boy Jay from the Hood Bills back in here with another video, man. Look, I already got it started. I was already in motion. I'm like, man, shit, why don't I put a camera on? Shit. Go ahead and show y'all what I'm doing today. I'm taking all the inside out. I'm getting ready to strip these panels, these seats. No, I'm gonna leave the carpet. I ain't gonna do the carpet, but if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, man. It's going down. Subscribe for your chance to win this car when I'm done fixing it up. Cause 3K, I'm giving it away. For real, I'm gonna be on to the next. Man, this car look way better with the hood off. That is crazy to me. Car look way better with the hood off. Like I'm ready to jump up in that motherfucker. Nah, I'm finna sit that motor right down there, 5.3. I got my 350 trans over there. It's just going down. That's what I'm going with. Setup. But yeah though, man, 1984, Caprice Classic, box Chevy, whatever you wanna call it. I am selling these seats right here. These seats right here, good. I'm selling these seats. And I'm selling these too when I take them out. I'm selling them for the low too. Somebody can bring me like $100 for all them seats and take them with y'all. I don't want them. Yo, let me see, can I get this door open? Y'all know this door right here. It's that hard though. God damn, you gotta get in the car. You gotta get in the car. Shake on the door. Hoping you can open that bitch. I done forgot I done took the seats out. Damn, now I gotta sit out on the floor. Fuck it. Fuck it, guys. Open this goddamn door. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, no. I gotta sit the camera down. Alright, I ain't got time today for this bullshit. Nice. Not today. Alright, unfortunately, I couldn't get the goddamn door today. Today ain't the day I finna be head hurting off this door. Trying to open that motherfucker. But yeah, though, I'm finna get all this clean, get all this shit washed up. I'ma turn this bitch back on. I ain't gonna even turn the bitch off. I'm rolling today. Look, I'm rolling this bitch. Fuck it. Alright, gang. Hopefully this the tool right here. Goddamn me. Oh, that hole a little too big. This is size 9/16. Okay. And I got my small ratchet. Yo, let me post this back up. Alright, gang, I found the tools right there. Time to go to work. Time to go to work. Time to go to work. Let's screw this shit. Where's the tools? Yep, got this side loose already. Time to move on to the next side. Oh, what the fuck is that? Big ass. Yeah, y'all stop and pick that shit up. It's a bow here. Yep. Got that boat and one more boat right here.